Hello, what's up guys? What's up guys? Today I'll share with you a important product, thermal imager. Thermal imager. Okay, 55% discount. This is the product picture. Okay, and this is the price. There is three models, and second model one is 226 US dollar, also 55% discount, actual price 500 plus US dollar. Another model is here, 55% discount and discount price 247 US dollar. Another one is 769 US dollar, discount price 344 and discount percentage 55% discount. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is the oh this is the video about this product. Already 131 reviews, 900 plus sold. So this is the important product for repair PCB and pipeline detection. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe.